Cloos is a pioneer of modern welding technology and one of the world's leading companies in the industry. Worldwide, some 700 employees work on the Cloos palette of products. From Qineo welding power sources to the Qineo robot systems and facilities. At our in-house laboratories, we intensively test the products and welding processes under actual conditions. All of the relevant processes fulfill the standards set out in the DIN EN ISO 9001 quality protocol. Customers from all over the globe rely on our expert training programs and receive detailed instructions on how to use Cloos products. Thanks to its modular product concept, Qineo can be assembled and mounted according to the needs and desires of the customer. The simple construction saves time when it comes to maintenance and makes it easy to reconfigure or enhance the equipment. Qineo is perfectly suited for future tasks in the area of welding. From the power module to the operating module and customized configurations, each and every Qineo is individually made to measure. Efficient, precise, multifaceted. This high-tech equipment fulfills the most sophisticated demands in every performance category and expertly masters every welding task. Qineo offers a broad range of performance modules and welding processes for a wide variety of applications, materials, and metal thicknesses. All these features make Qineo a state-of-the-art solution. Qineo, the new dimension in welding technology. Cloos. Weld your way.